In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check chat history in Perplexity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past conversations so you can quickly revisit answers, pick up ongoing research, and keep your work organized. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this in your browser or the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in to the same account where you previously chatted, since your history is tied to the account you're using. If you work on multiple devices, this helps keep everything in one place so you don't lose track of earlier prompts or responses. Give the page a moment to load fully so the interface and your data sync correctly. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click History. This is the dedicated area for all your past chats. It typically appears in the left-hand sidebar alongside other navigation items. Once you select History, Perplexity will display your conversation timeline in a clean, scrollable list. This view is designed to make it easy to locate previous sessions without hunting around. Here, you can see all of your chat history. The entries usually appear in chronological order, showing the most recent first. Each conversation is represented by a short title or the opening lines of your prompt, along with a timestamp. This makes it simple to spot the right thread when you need to revisit an answer, verify a source you asked about, or continue a line of inquiry. It's especially helpful if you use Perplexity for research, brainstorming, or studying, since you can reference earlier context rather than starting from scratch. As you scan your history, notice how consistent labeling helps you recognize topics at a glance. If you keep your prompts clear and specific, your list becomes even easier to navigate over time. The history view is also a great reminder to maintain good data hygiene. Avoid entering sensitive personal information in your prompts, and keep your questions focused on what you actually need. This not only protects your privacy, but also makes your archive more useful. That's all there is to it. Open your Perplexity account, click History on the left, and view your past conversations in one organized place. Use this space to revisit useful answers, track progress on ongoing tasks, and maintain continuity across sessions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more efficient, well-documented Perplexity workflow.